Hi guys, real quick video here. So we received these with our last TBS order, and these are actually really awesome. Pretty much, they're like a little rubber cylinder thing, and you get an XT60 and you cover it, and then it's safe and ready for travel. And then you're just like, yeah, so that's done. And then get this one over. This is done. And then Dad's already done all these batteries. So as far as a really handy tool for traveling, I mean, damn, this is good. I like this. Okay, if you're wondering about the balance plug, on our normal packs, we usually just fold these over and rubber band them together. But with these FMR 1550 packs, balance plug just unplugs straight out and it's ready. Okay, I hope you found this video useful, and we'll catch you in the next video. See ya!